Women know they have got you by the balls when you show them any of these 30 simpy behaviors. 1. Being afraid to flirt even though she knows you want to have sex. 2. Playing it safe because you're worried about offending her. 3. Going along with her plans to make her comfortable. 4. Having no date plans and asking her what to do. 5. Changing yourself in any way to appease her. 6. Apologizing when you're right. 7. Making love to her instead of forking her right. 8. Trying to show your romantic side to win her over. 9. Backtracking when tested. 10. You're nervous around her. She knows you have something to lose when you value her to the point where you can't be who you normally are. 11. Avoiding touching or kissing her after a few dates because you still want her to feel comfortable enough. Don't reject yourself. 12. Not telling her you're attracted to her in person but do it over text. 13. Texting her more than talking to her in real life. 14. Trying to make it easy to be with you instead of being you. 15. Telling her you want to Netflix chill instead of being flirty, sexual, and direct. 16. Valuing her beauty over your standards. 17. Warning her about other bad men. 18. Asking her about other dudes. 19. Asking her if she liked the date or sex. 20. Asking her to show you her phone. 21. Giving her boyfriend energy within the first few months. 22. Getting comfortable thinking you have her for life just because she promised to be yours. 23. Talking about commitment when she hasn't even been obsessed with you for months. 24. Showing her you're single AF so she feels safe to commit to you. 25. Basing your value on being able to get women instead of being a man. 26. Stumbling awkwardly into sex instead of smoothly and intentionally transitioning towards it. 27. Giving her ultimatums to gain control over the relationship. 28. Trying to control the relationship or her to protect your position as her man. 29. Taking her out on expensive dates when she hasn't done anything for you. 30. Basing the standards of your relationship on insecurity instead of righteousness.